Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up a Substack account. So first and foremost, you can go to any web browser and then look for Substack. Now create your Substack account right here. So get started, sign up, and you can start your publication. So tap this one right here. You can create using your Google account or Gmail and password. So tap this one right here. Now you can add your email address and then agree to their terms and condition. Click this box right here, proceed. You can add the name of your profile. You can also add your profile picture or logo here of your company or of your site. And then make sure that it's a unique name. Add your bio. You can also add your Instagram right here, but actually this one is optional. After that, you can now proceed or continue. So once you have added your logo right here, name and bio, then the next thing to do is to tap on next, continue. And then here, what you're going to do next is you have to add or create your publication and then import. If you have your mailing list, then you can import, but you can skip this part. And then you can add your email address right here or your friends or team's email address. And then you can select your interest here. So select your interest. Now you can follow and subscribe to other writers, but that one is optional. And here it is. So basically, this is what it looks like on the left side. You can see here different features. If you want to set up your settings, like if you want to set up your payment method, so Substack uses Stripe or they use Stripe for payment method. So you have to, or you need to set up your Stripe account right here. Connect your Substack to your Stripe or connect your account to Stripe. You can also add a domain right here and you can add sender, verify your email. You can connect a custom domain, but this one is optional or import existing subscribers. Once you're done with the setting, you can now draft your first post and publish. So you can create your post right here. If you go back to your Substack home and then click this one and proceed with the following. So basically, this is how to set up a Substack account. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorial.